Kidney stones, they're very painful if you've had them, but did you know you are more likely to get them when the temperatures go up? Here to tell us more is Dr. Kushik Shah with the Austin Urology Institute. Good morning to you.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. Obviously a timely topic coming right out of weather. It's going to be hot, and you tell me they're more common this time of year.
Right. As David is mentioning, we're about to enter the 90-degree heat, and when the heat goes up, the number of patients that come to the emergency room or call us and see us in the clinic starts shooting up as well. And a lot of that is that it's beautiful weather out now. It's warm, so we're out more, we're sweating more. We tend to drink a lot more Cokes, coffees, and teas and things like that get you dehydrated on top of the sweating. And what happens is all of the elements in the urine, which is the calcium, oxalate, and other chemicals that we excrete in our urine typically, they basically get really concentrated, and basically grain by grain you start forming those stones within your kidney.
So what exactly are kidney stones?
So basically our kidneys filter the blood, and when they filter out the blood, they basically get rid of a lot of the impurities in our system. And again, calcium, oxalate, basically crystalline solution. And what happens in some people, you have a family history, so you excrete more calcium and things like that. For other people, it's just the dehydration, what we put into our bodies, like I said, the different beverages and things like that, different foods. They basically have more oxalates, calciums, and things like that. They get concentrated in the urine again, and it's just crystal by crystal you start forming these stones.
Mm-hmm. Can each person pass them? You hear about people passing kidney stones. At what point do you need to go to the doctor?
Right, so most people can pass a kidney stone up to about 5 millimeters, which, as scary as it sounds, is just about the size of an average pea. So you can pass a stone up to about that size. More than that, they're going to get plugged up. The actual urine tube, the ureter that connects the kidney to the bladder, is about the size of a straw, like a McDonald's straw, and try to put a pea down that middle of that. And when that gets blocked, when that gets blocked, the pain can be pretty severe. Some people describe it like being stabbed in the back or something like that. And I've had women who've had kidney stones, and they said they'd rather have another baby than a kidney stone. So that's how painful it can be.
Yeah, so drinking water is the #1 thing that you can do to stop this from happening to you. Anything else? Right,
so hydration is the biggest thing that you can do. So 6 to 8 glasses of fluid a day, and your urine should actually have the color of lemonade. So if it's darker orange or dehydrated, so it should have a light yellow color to it if you're adequately hydrated. You can actually drink too much water, so if your urine looks like you're peeing water, then you're drinking probably too much. So just a light yellow color. Reducing Cokes, coffees, and teas are actually good for you, so reduce those things. If you have to drink a cola type beverage, the clear ones are better, believe it or not, because they contain citrate. And so one of the antidotes is basically lemon or citrus containing products, and basically it keeps the calcium molecules from sticking together. So lemons are actually good, and if you're at a restaurant, squeeze that lemon into your water, and that can be preventative.
Good to know. Dr. Shah, we're out of time. Thank you so much for coming in this morning. Good information to keep us all healthy.
Great, thank you.
All right, we'll be right back after this break.